Welcome to Financial Jojo. My name is Josh, and this is the market update. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get the latest market moving news. Today is February 14th, 2022, and the top story is we have another busy week of earning reports from Nvda, Walmart, Airbnb, and Spotify, just to name a few. What I'm watching? Nvda. They have earnings report on Wednesday. So let's take a look. Year to date, they are down almost 21%. They will post earnings after the close. The top analysts expect Nvda to earn $1.22 per share on a revenue of $7.42 billion. What I'm watching, Nvidia's planned acquisition of ARM from SoftBank has ended. A $40 billion deal, which had been in the works since September 2020, would have been the largest ever in the chip sector. The deal would have given Nvidia control over designs that rival chip companies such as Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm rely on to develop their own competing chips. So let's check out the Nvidia stock forecast and price targets from the top analyst. Currently, we're looking at a $355.68 price target, a 48.52% upside. And then we have a 250 on the low side with a strong buy rating. Highest price target is 400, average 355, and lowest 250 over the next 12 months. In other news, obviously we had the Super Bowl yesterday, and what did you see in all the ads? Gambling, EVs. Let's cover those. Legal sports gambling has now spread to 30 states and Washington, D.C. In the 4 years that it has been legal, both the amount of money bet on sports and the amount counted as revenue by gambling companies has risen 1,000%. Let's take a look at Draftkings. Year to date, the stock is down 16%. In the last year, we're looking at a 61.44% decline. The reason behind this, they have spent a ton of money in advertising. Customer retention is very expensive in the online gambling business. It is reported that bettors are on track to wager $7.6 billion on the game, up from 78% from last year. And you better believe that DraftKings and FanDuel's are trying to get their cut. So let's take a look at what the top analysts think about DraftKings. All right, so stock forecast and price target. The top analysts have DraftKings at $40.06 with a 71.71% upside. Is a moderate buy. So we have the lowest price target at $23 and the highest at $65 from 19 analysts. I'm bullish. I think the online gambling sector is bound to grow. They're just dealing with a bunch of customer retention. The cost is just really high right now. I think as more states legalize online gambling, we're going to see a boom in this sector. For our last article, let's take a look at the other hot trend in the Super Bowl ads, EVs. In the early stages of the biggest transition in the auto industry since the car was first invented. There's another line in here. Everything is finally coming together for the electric vehicle to really take off in the U.S. In my video last week, President Biden had finally acknowledged Tesla's dominance in the market. The notable ads that we had was this GM one. We also had a BMW ad, Polestar, Kia, Hyundai. So GM was first. Let's take a look here. General Motors is currently down 20% for the year. Let's see what the top analysts show. Price target All right. So they have a price target of $74.27, a 52% potential upside, and it's at a moderate buy. Like I said, Tesla, of course, being the leader in the electric vehicle in the United States currently, they're also down almost 30% year to date. And at this 860 price target, definitely a buy. Anything less than 1,000 is a buy in my book. So loading up on that. Surprisingly, didn't see any ads from Ford when I was watching the Super Bowl. So if you saw it and I missed it, leave a comment down below. Even better if you send me a link. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. That's the video. Don't forget to take advantage of the Moo link I have down below. Get up to 5 free stocks. Plus, when you use my link and my link only, you get a free share of Lucid. Also, don't forget to do the Gemini link down below. Get $10 in free Bitcoin when you trade up to $100. And they have Sandbox. I don't know if you guys were watching the Super Bowl. Snoop Dogg is on Sandbox as well. And if you're not a fan of Snoop Dogg, which, I mean, to each their own, Walking Dead tie-in, Adidas, lots of big names, lots of big players in the metaverse. I see it in the Sandbox. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.